I'm Neha Gharat, working as an assistant professor in Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Hope all of you are doing well and safe at home. During such a pandemic situation, all of us has experienced that the efficient and effective way of communication is internet communication. As a student, you are well aware of this fact as you have done submissions, presentations using online mode, that is through the internet communication. So today, let me give you the brief introduction of internet communication engineering, which is one of your electives. First of all, let's discuss the objective of this subject. Objectives are to focus on internet protocol, standards, services and administration, to discuss the Internet Security Protocol and security services, also to focus on multimedia communication standards and compression techniques, and to discuss the multimedia communication across the networks. Let's first discuss what is Internet communication. The Internet communication is sharing of information, ideas, or simply words over the World Wide Web or the Internet. The Internet consists of a worldwide string of connected networks that exchanges data through the packet switching using the standardized Internet Protocol suite TCP/IP. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. These two protocols were developed in early days of Internet by the US military. The purpose was to allow computers to communicate over the long distance network. The Internet Communication Engineering provides you the knowledge about TCP/IP protocol suite, how the services are provided, how these protocols are designed, and the broad classification of IP addresses. TCP/IP allows us to access different applications through Internet communication. These applications are telephone services, audio conferencing, email, instant messaging, video conferencing, and voice messaging. Internet communication is advantageous to us with respect to many aspects, such as speed and time. We have switched from 3G to 4G network, and hence we are having enough bandwidth which increases the speed of communication and reduces the time. Internet communication has also played a key role in globalization. It is also cost effective. Nowadays, we are using internet communication, or you can say the online resources in education sector for teaching purposes. Internet communication has created more business opportunities. Just now we have discussed advantages of internet communication. But the disadvantage or one of the challenges of internet communication is internet security. Internet security is generally becoming a top priority for both businesses and governments. Internet security is related to browser security, security of data entered through a web, and overall authentication and protection of data sent via internet protocol. The internet represents an insecure channel for exchanging information, which leads to the high risk of intrusion or fraud. Many methods are used to protect the data, including encryption, then antivirus programs, and use of firewalls. The engineers are also working to secure the network and the internet. This also gives rise to the job opportunities in the field of internet security. Internet communication engineering subject will provide you a deep understanding of how to design, build, implement, and maintain the network for internet communication. And after gaining this knowledge, you will find the job opportunities at Google, Reliance Communication, Reliance Jio, Tata Communication, Doordarshan, BSNL, Well, and many more companies. These companies will give you the opportunity to work as network engineer, network administrator, or as a L2, L3 engineer. Recently, one of our alumni has been appointed as a network engineer at Google. So, in the field of internet communication, you are having wide range of job opportunities. Also, you can go for the CCNA certification or the Microsoft certification and get the opportunity to work at such a reputed companies. I hope the information provided to you will be helpful for opting the correct elective. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.